Assalamu alaikum my dear friends. Welcome to my channel friends. Today I will tell you some varieties of cactus plants along with their names. Like the video before watching the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Definitely do it. Let's start the video. Astrophotography Capricorn, Disco Cactus Horsty, Mammillaria Green Mammillaria, Mortillo Cactus Blue Mellicactus, Parodia chrysocanthion, White Nota Cactus, Mammillaria Long Spine, Astrophotography Kabuto, Mammillaria Humboldti Clump, Ubelmania pectinifera, Frailea bunicari, Rainbow Cactus G, Gymnoclatium lb Hybrid Rainbow Cactus, Ferro-Cactus Mammillaria Pink, Mammillaria Honiana, Mammillaria Brown. But if you like the video because of the variety of cactus, I presented it to you. Thank you for watching.